So let's take that pseudocode and write a working Python program. Sometimes on the exams you'll want to hand trace, get an answer, and then since the exams are not timed, it's a good idea to write up the code and test or just validate your answer. So I'm going to start with the main function. And so I'll define a function called main. So first I'll declare a variable x and assign it 0, and a variable y and assign it 2.0. Then I'll display x, so that's using the print function. And then I'll display y. And then I'm going to call foo and pass it y. And call foo again, pass it x. And then print x again and print y again. And that's the end of my main module. And then foo, I'm going to define foo, and this function has a parameter, and in Python you just have to declare the variable like that. You don't have to give it the type or anything, so you can just say the variable name. So I'll create a variable y, and then it says, whoops, I forgot my colon, and then create a real variable x, and I'll just initialize it to 0, and then it says set x to y, and then it says set y to y plus 1, and then print the contents of x and print the contents of y. Okay, so that didn't take any time at all to type that up. So I have my two functions, main and foo, and main is the first function to execute. So at the bottom of my file, I'm going to put in a call to main. So when I compile and run this program, main will be called first. So when I run that, you can see my output. Now on the exam, I think it asks you to just put your output in the box separated by spaces. So you would just type in 0.0 space 2.0 space 2.0 space 3.0 space 0.0 space 1.0 space 0.0 space and 2.0. And that would be the answer that you would type into the answer box.